Imagine a world of vibrant color, a world teeming with life and energy alike, where a virtual world and the physical one unite in symbiosis. Augmented reality. Now imagine profiting from AR and being a pioneer in the new world, using AR for fun or profit at home or work. All this at your fingertips, and you control it all. This is the Spheroid Universe. And these guys are giving away over $225 in their currency in an airdrop, so you can become seriously invested in AR as a whole with only a couple minutes of your time through sharing a few social media posts. So what is the Spheroid Universe? They're a decentralized platform for business advertising and entertainment within the integrated space of Earth's augmented reality, and they sell spaces. Spaces are 50 by 50 meter squares that split up the surface of the Earth in the spheroid platform. Spaces are intellectual property that are created, registered, and protected on the basis of and in accordance with the laws of the European Union, where you own the rights to what AR content is played in your space, and the right to optionally monetize that data. You can make your own world to show off to friends, you can display your artwork for thousands to see, or you can advertise your own business or products, locally or worldwide. Although, I do think that most of the profit that you can earn from this business will come from advertising for giant companies. Say, Pokemon wants to run some AR ads. You can choose to let their ads that they've designed for AR be played in your space, in exchange for some money. So if you stick with me, we will quickly go over some of the Spheroid platform and how to quickly and easily complete this huge airdrop, so you can start profiting quickly as well. So here's their platform marketplace where you can buy spaces and soon sell them to other users. I'm currently sitting right above Wall Street in New York. These colored squares are the spaces. The orange ones can be purchased for cryptocurrency and spheroid tokens as well. The blue ones can be purchased for your native currency. Mine is US dollars. The gray spaces separating them are currently not for sale to prevent monopolies, but they'll be for sale in some time. As you can see, the spaces here are about 8,000 tokens, or 800 US dollars per square. And the busy areas of big cities will usually cost more than the lesser developed areas. The average space in my hometown, which is Denver, Colorado, it's about 200 tokens, or only $20, and most areas altogether are priced pretty similarly. So, I've acquired 362 spaces so far at the time of this video, and most of them were purchased before they increased all the prices, so I've already made a return on investment there. So the usage tab here, this is for space mining, and it's a system for testing advertising mechanics. So basically you give them the link to your first Twitter post, and it's the one that you make in their airdrop that we'll go over in a second, and you get about half a token per day per space for helping them test mechanics. It takes just a couple of days for verification, and so make sure you guys don't delete your first Twitter post that they make, or that they have you make, because then you will not be able to do the space mining. And I mean, I would be getting about 150 tokens per day, like about $15 a day, if I hadn't done that, because the post has to coincide with your registration date. So make sure it's the first one, make sure you don't delete it, and just post that there and they'll validate it within a couple days. Currency is just all the different cryptos that you can purchase the orange spaces with, the altcoins, you know, Bitcoin and all these other ones. They're giving pretty good offers, some sales on some of these altcoins that you have going on here at 120 for some, 180 for this one. The bonuses, they're giving this out right now, a 5 times altcoin bonus. So if I were to come here and say I wanted to get this 8,000 spheroid space, then if I were to pay with anything other than spheroid tokens, if I were to use any of these other currencies, especially you know, one of these sale ones, I would also get a 5 times bonus to that. So I would be able to get this for 5 times cheaper. And you get that through doing the airdrop, which is on the referrals page. So I'm sitting at 16,750 spheroid for my work that I've done so far for the spheroid team. got 20 referrals, and right here you can see where your airdrop is going to be when you make your account at Spheroid Universe / Marketplace. So I've already done it. It's pretty simple. You just come to the referrals page once you register. It's going to be right here. They're going to have you make a Facebook post. Just do that. And just a retweet. You got to do that. And make sure to save that one. That one's the important one, guys. Then you join their Telegram group, and then they'll give you 1,000 Spheroid. So $100 right there, just instantly. Once you've joined their Telegram group and you've joined a specific language chat that they'll give you in there. Once you post a little code that they'll give you. So just copy the code, post it in the Telegram group, and you're good to go. Once you join your specific language chat, if English, French, and whatever. So, once you've done that, you move on to this step, which is just another tweet. You make another tweet and they give you another 500 Spheroid and the 5 times altcoin bonus. So that one's not super important, but you need to do that to get the altcoin bonus and the Spheroid, but that one's not needed for the space mining. So once you do that, you're going to be right here at account level 3. You've registered, you've shared the post on Twitter, shared the post on Facebook, and joined the Telegram group. And then you shared another post on Twitter, and you got the 5 times altcoin bonus as well. And right there, you're sitting at $150 or 1,500 tokens worth. So, in order to get the full $225, you have to hit this button right here that says Earn More Spheroid, and I'm not going to click on it because it's got my social media accounts on them. But in there, they're offering even more of their tokens that they're doing. It's not going to be instant like this 150 was. This is going to be instant. This, in the Earn More Spheroid page, is going to take a couple days for them to confirm everything, like the usage Twitter post. And it's going to be things like your Medium, which is sort of a social media news app, Instagram, Facebook, just more stuff like that, you're going to give them the link to your profile, and you've liked their page, and things like that. And they'll give you altogether $225 or 2,250 Spheroid, all for free, just for your time with a little bit of these social media sharings. So these spaces are going to have so much use for the future, guys. There's so many companies getting involved in AR that are even like primarily technological companies or VR AR companies like Walmart, Nissan for, you know, AR navigation on windshield, crazy things happening all over the place. Spheroid just partnered with a oil and gas company to help them find oil and gas deposits and categorize them, and like for virtual travel, safe training. It's going to be all over the place. And right here, $225 to get your foot in the door, just by sharing about them on social media, helping them grow, which in turn is going to help you grow, because if you're invested in this company, their success is your success. And obviously, I'm invested. I've done all of this 16,750 you can see here. Most of that is through my work in their Telegram chat, trying to bring people to the company, and just doing a lot of work there, trying to help them grow, trying to help other people. And you can do that too. You can come in there, you can find me. I'm in the English chat that they have. And if you have any questions, if you want to get your foot in the door with AR, with helping with this company, they're super helpful with getting you in to help them grow so you can get tokens and get your investments in ahead of time. This is the future, guys. AR is going to be all over the place. It's already all over the place. There's huge tech giants set to release AR glasses in 2020. Some for late 2019, but everybody's getting into it, and it's just a matter of time. So while it's cheaper, while it's available, and while this airdrop is happening, guys, that's insane, $225, I would definitely get in this now, and it's totally worth it. So thank you for watching, and the link is in the description so that you can come here and register and get this today, because this is amazing, guys, seriously. So thank you so much for watching, and take care.